Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to connect Instagram to Facebook page. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. First of all, you want to open your Instagram app. Then just go ahead and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And by the way, you can only do this when you are on the professional account. Okay? So if your Instagram account is on personal account, just go ahead and switch it to professional. So now, just go ahead and click on edit profile. Scroll down and you can see the page section. So just go ahead and click on that. Sorry, I'm just gonna disconnect this so that I can show it to you. So again, click on page. Here, you can connect existing page or create a Facebook page. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on connect existing page. Click done when you choose your page, and that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.